How was your experience, honey? Good. Sobrang aga, guys. Maaga kami lumabas kasi nag-ano si Ate Caris. Trial niya sa kanyang gymnastics.
Well done, baby. Got it started.
Good job. Lainey, do you wanna do gymnastics as well, Baba? Yeah? Kakatapos lang. Anong oras na ba ngayon? Maybe 9? What is it, baby? Sige mo na, open the door. Hoy, where's your door? Oh, we gotta go to the shops. We gotta get something from Makaladi.
Come on, Baba.
We gotta go to Kmart.
Kmart. Wow.
Come on. I don't want to. Good job, Lainey.
You do it, you do it. Open it quick, it's closing.
Pull, 2 hands. 2 hands. Dito na kami sa harapan ng Kmart, guys. We're just having drinks. As usual, ang oat latte ni Daddy Mike at hot chocolate for us. Panggigil din ka, panggigil. Kahanap kami ng pangregalo namin, guys. Actually, dalawa yung hanapan namin. So, today is for Makaladi. He turned 1. So, find something for 1-year-old. And tapos, bukas sa classmate ni Ate Paris. She's 6.
I get something for Pia from here, I think.
A few moments later.
You can't jump. Mama will hold your hand. 1, 2, ready? Go! This way! This way, Ling Ling! Yan, bit-bit na ni Daddy Mike ang kanyang regalo.
Where's Auntie Rose?
Where's Auntie Rose? Anak! You're obsessed with your Auntie Rose. She keeps looking for Auntie Rose. Come on!
Lilin.
Auntie Rose will be there.
Come on.
Hi! How are you? Oh, hi, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Good. Hello. How are you? Oh my goodness, how are you? I'm Jovi.
I'm Liz.
Nice to meet you. Hi. How are you? Thanks for coming. Good.
Hello, how are you?
Finally, you're reunited with Auntie Rose. She's been looking for Auntie Rose.
Yeah. Say hi.
How are you?
Oh, mommy. Good.
Where's Henry? And Martin, aren't they coming?
They're resting.
Why not? Whoop, 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 whoop. Your birthday boy. Hello, birthday boy. See yourself. Look. Look. Whose birthday is it? Mokaladi's birthday. 1-year-old. Big one. How cute is the jeans? Oh my goodness. Big boy. You're blushing. Come on, eat.
I went off to driving.
You're done. Put it in
Yeah,
there.
So that was good.
Oh, hi Joshua.
Then we did some practice for
Oh wow. Have a look.
Oh,
So V is Nigerian, guys.
Maverick.
This one, what's this one again? Mean Jollof. Jollof rice. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then the Nigerian fried rice.
So
There was
they went to driving.
It's another birthday party. And it's raining. Oh my goodness.
That's why they're having it at the house.
Yeah, dapat sana sa park.
They're supposed to have it at the park, but they said it's gonna rain hard today, so they
Nandito kami
said
sa bahay
to
na.
drop
Dito na kami sa labas.
they change and do it at their house.
Okay, help Celine with her seatbelt, please.
Okay.
Tingnan nyo. Help Celine with her seatbelt. Hey, Lini!
There we go. See when we get inside. Water. That's water.
Thank you for helping Mama. Ah, that's too heavy. You can't carry this, too heavy. We're at Coles now, guys. It's nearly 6 o'clock. Nag-grocery kami late na. Mag-close na sila soon. Tingnan nyo, 6 o'clock mag-close. Ah, sit down na baba. So, ayan. Si Daddy Mike may binili pa. May kinukuha pa. I mean, come down na baba. Sit down. Yeah. Good girl. We'll put it in.
I'm gonna put it. Oh! That's amazing! Look at this whole entire shop. 1, 2, 3. This my mom. Yay! Maybe a hole. Yum.
What about your teeth?
Yeah, no, your teeth.
No, what about your teeth?
Your teeth. Hey,
What about your teeth?
Mommy, Daddy, she's... Hey, that's not
Okay.
my Uno.
Uno!
No, my turn.
Wait lang. Just don't show it.
Yeah, pala.
Don't show you. Ay, kadugay ba kayo ah?
No, wait. It's around.
No. Touch move. Anak, wait. Once you do it. Come on!
Alright.
Kadugay ba na oy? Wait. What color? Oh.
Red.
Hmm?
Red.
You said red. Why? You said red. First.
No, you're allowed to do that. Mom, that's not how you do it. Mom, that's how you do the game. Mom, that's how you do the game blue.
No.
No, you can do
Cyrus, you
that.
said red already. Look, we have it on the camera.
No, Mommy. That's how you do it.
Okay, whatever, honey girl.
That's how you do it.
Okay, whatever, anak.
What? Oh,
Yay!
Lazy girl. No, lazy girl, no, lazy girl, no. Don't go there.
Oh no! Oh no!
Here. Can I wait? There we go.
Oh, sana? Red ba?
I put it. You're gonna win. I know what I'm doing.
Ow! Celine.
Alright, fine.
What you say, Mama?
Alright, Mommy, tell me. Mama, I have good luck. I have good luck. Oh my god. Mama. I don't think I have it. I don't think I. Mommy. Mommy. Oh, wait, Mommy. 3, 2, 1, Mommy. My 3,
Right.
2, 1. Mama. My 3, 2, 1. Down.
What color?
No, I have to choose.
That's me.
And that's Tommy. And that's Tommy.
Paris. Ella? Gusto ko ba yung pill dito? Okay, do it again.
The part of the game that mine is getting all of them.
Uy! 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 Daddy's cooking dinner, ah. Careful there, ha? Okay. Meat. Corn. Spinach.
Hey, and they.
And Louie! Hey, Louie boy! Hey, Louie! Ay, dyan, tanawa na, no? Higda tayo na, ay, kaya gusto mo na patikol-tikol. Hindi, careful lang. Baby! Ay, oh! Tikol. You love the tikol and flan. Hmm? You love the tikol. You love the tikol. You love the tikol.